Hello everyone, this is Brittany from Tycorun China. Today we are at our factory. Did you see all the products behind me? There are 100 battery swapping cabinets from our clients. They are now fully produced and fully tested and are ready to be shipped to Africa. So this is our first bulk orders in the June. And from the orders to fully prepared, we only took about 25 days because we do all the metal shells and we do the assembly and testing right in our factory. So for the bulk orders, we have the ability to make sure the delivery right on time. So let's look at our products here. So this is our latest standard version of the cabinet. So it uses the front axis design. So it will be much easier for the operation staff to do the maintenance job. They don't need to go around to the cabinet and they just need to open this door. So you can see everything here. For here we have our chargers. We equip the chargers for every single slot separately, and for each charger it delivers about 1,300 charging power, so it can ensure the high efficiency charging. And over here you can also see the switches and electricity meters, and also the backup reversely charging module and the main control board, and also the smoke detector. So basically you can do all the maintenance job over here. And of course, you can still open the back of the cabinet if you want to do some complex maintenance job. You can see we have all the control board for each slot over here. And also before the shipping, we will also do the reading test for our cabinet. Our cabinet is IP54 waterproof level. So don't worry about the reading this. It can handle the harsh outdoor environment. And the reading test is only a part of the testing process before the shipping. And we will also do the material testing before the assembly. And after assembly, we will also do the charging and discharging testing, and also the aging testing. So we will make sure our cabinet can meet every standards before the shipping. And if you want the customization, we can also do the customization for you. Like we can change the logos, the colors, the slot size, and the appearance, the functions, and also the software integration for you. So this is all about this video. Wish our next back order comes from you.